Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lowercase I from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large circle near the top of the page here. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw a line across. Then from the ends, let's curve it out and back in. And the same thing on the other side. Now let's draw 2 vertical lines down. A curve out and back in on both sides. And then a line across the bottom to close it off. And that's it for the shape of the letter I. Now let's move in and draw the eyes. Let's start off in the center and let's draw 2 curved lines down. Then from the top, let's curve it out. And then curve it down on the sides. And then close off the bottoms to form the shapes of the eyes. Next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside each eye. Next, inside each eye, let's draw that same rounded square shape. And then let's color both of these in black. And lastly, let's add a mouth underneath with a small curve. And that's it for lowercase I. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!